Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that Earth has suddenly stopped spinning. What would happen to you? Would we survive? Or would the world become completely unrecognizable? Let's find out. Earth normally rotates at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. But imagine that rotation suddenly stops. The ground would stop, but everything on Earth would still have its momentum. People, cars, buildings, oceans, and even the atmosphere would keep moving. And that would be catastrophic. The atmosphere wouldn't instantly stop with the ground. Air could continue rushing around the planet at incredible speeds, creating enormous winds and devastating storms. The oceans would also be affected. Huge amounts of water would move across Earth's surface, causing massive flooding and enormous waves in many coastal areas. But there's another huge problem. If Earth stopped rotating, but continued orbiting the Sun, one day would eventually last about 1 year. Some places would experience extremely long periods of sunlight, while others would spend months in darkness. Temperatures could become incredibly extreme. The side facing the Sun would receive prolonged heating, while the opposite side would experience prolonged darkness and severe cooling. Earth's shape would also gradually change. Our planet isn't a perfect sphere. Its rotation causes a slight bulge around the equator. Without rotation, Earth's shape and the distribution of its oceans would slowly change. But would Earth completely die? Not necessarily. Earth would still have gravity, and the Sun would still shine. Some forms of life might survive in certain regions. But the planet would be dramatically different from the Earth we know today. So, if Earth suddenly stopped spinning, it wouldn't simply mean no more day and night. It could trigger devastating winds, ocean movement, extreme climate changes, and a completely different planet. And that's why Earth's rotation is much more important than it seems. Follow FactNova for more mind-blowing science